I go all over the world and they don't speak English everywhere. And that could be a challenge. This is a German recipe. I don't know anything in German at all. So
what are
do
we making?
Let's find out. Here's how this is going to work. So you go line by line here. This has got that, you can see, kind of like when you go to a grocery store and it scans that barcode.
Right.
Similar to that. And you're scanning the text on here. And what it does is it immediately recognizes it, and then it's going to go ahead and translate it for you. And so what this does is this takes text and it translates for you live. You've never seen anything like this before. I'm going to put this onto the table here. I'm going to take my Smart Translation Pen and watch this. I'm going to just go over, let's go what looks like step 3. I'm going to just scan it. You saw the light turned on, and then what happened? It scanned the text, spoke it in German, and then it actually translated it live. So in the base of the sorbet, we're making sorbet here, freezes, spread a baking paper on the baking pan. It's like baking, am I reading upside down? Yeah, baking on there. So let's go back to the next one here. So let's go and scan the next line.
Chunky even knew what some of the first line was.
Did you know that, Chunky?
The first line is sugar and water.
And then right here, let's, some chocolate we're putting into the sorbet. Melt chocolate in the microwave for about 5 seconds each time.